scorching heat, burning sun, humidity, and a terrible weather. People across the country are echoing the same question: where is the rain? If you have been wondering why June felt unusually dry and why the rains look sporadic, here's the answer. June 2026 was one of India's driest Junes in more than a century, with rainfall nearly 40% below normal. The delayed monsoon left farmers anxious, reservoirs under pressure, and crop sowing badly affected. But now, meteorologists say the monsoon is entering a new phase. And to understand what is happening, you need to know two climate phenomena: El Nino and the Indian Ocean Dipole, or IOD. Let's start with El Nino. El Nino happens when the central and eastern Pacific Ocean becomes warmer than usual. That may sound like a problem thousands of kilometers away, but it has a direct impact on India. A stronger El Nino weakens the monsoon winds, reduces moisture reaching the Indian subcontinent, and often results in below normal rainfall. That is exactly why the IMD has forecast July rainfall to remain below normal, even as rain becomes more active in coming days. Now comes the second player, the Indian Ocean Dipole. The IOD measures the temperature difference between the western and eastern Indian Ocean. When it is in a positive phase, waters near Africa become warmer, while those near Indonesia become cooler. This strengthens moisture flow towards India and can partially offset the damage caused by El Nino. In simple words, El Nino pushes the monsoon back while a positive IOD tries to pull it forward. Scientists now believe a positive IOD is likely to develop during the second half of the monsoon season. While it may not completely cancel out El Nino, it could significantly improve rainfall over many parts of India and prevent bigger rainfall deficit. Meanwhile, there is immediate relief on the horizon. The IMD says two consecutive low pressure systems over the Bay of Bengal are expected to revive monsoon activity, bringing widespread rainfall across several states over the next week. In fact, the southwest monsoon has now advanced rapidly into northwestern India, including Delhi, after a delayed start. But here's the bottom line: a few days of heavy rain don't mean the monsoon season has been saved. July is the most crucial month for sowing crops like rice, cotton, and maize. If rainfall remains below normal during this period, it could impact food production, push up inflation, strain water resources, and affect millions of livelihoods. So while you are checking the weather app every morning, remember, the real battle isn't happening over our cities. It is unfolding across two oceans. And the winner of that battle could decide India's harvest, your grocery bill, and the country's economy. And that's a wrap from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and I am Tamanna Akhtar signing off for Times Now Digital. Until next time, take care and keep watching this space for more such videos.